so good.
I can do that too.
I will. Okay, try, Jeremy.
I don't have a mic.
Oh.
Put it on. Yes.
Hey, now we're here. Hey, Busan. Yeah.
Let's go, Busan. Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, girls, how are you? Did you eat many food or not? I heard you did.
Hey Vinci, what do you want to eat later?
I wanna eat bingsu.
Wow.
And chicken.
Ooh.
And 탕수육.
That's a lot,
And
Vinci.
kimchi. And
Hey.
how about you?
Me? I really don't know.
Oh.
But I'm going to
Let's eat. Sundae.
In music shows, you also come, so thank you so much for that. And I hope you look forward to more of Horizon because we have so many to show you guys, and we always want to thank you guys for all your love and support. So always stay by our side, actors. We love you, 사랑해. I'm so you're so happy. Yes, and thank you for. We feel very soft-hearted. Thank you for support here in Busan, and we're always fighting here in Korea until you proud. We're going to work hard here in Korea to make you all proud. Yeah. I love you all, guys.
오케이? 많이 먹어요. 오케이? 네, 감사합니다. 사랑해요.
안녕하세요. I'm so happy for today because I love the energy and all of you are so cute. And thank you for all of the support that you given to Horizon, and also for the gifts, for our gifts today, our headbands. It's so cute. Thank you so much. I just want to say that I really love you guys, and thank you for always supporting Horizon.
감사합니다. And now I'm real funky. 감사합니다. And I'm so happy because now I got to touch our anchors today. Because before it's just video call events, and now we touching and see each other. And please keep on supporting Horizon, and we will always do our best. And thank you guys so much for coming to Busan today. And like everyone said, 많이 먹어요. 제발요. 제발요. 감사합니다.
To perform in front of you guys, so we'll see each other soon, okay? And please be safe when you go home, guys. I love you so much. Love you. Thank you for the gifts, and we really appreciate your coming here. And I don't know what to say, but please keep looking forward for Horizon, okay? Love you guys.
너무 사랑해요. Let's go. Thank you guys. 너무 사랑해요. Please go home safely. Yes.
And 많이 먹어요.
Yes, eat dinner. I hope you guys let's go swimming. Have so much fun with us.
Let's go.
재밌어요?
Yes.
재밌어요?
Yes.
재밌었어요?
재밌었어요?
Okay. So
감사합니다. Bye guys. 감사합니다. Okay, let's go. Where's my I'm going to Seoul. Bye bye guys.
감사합니다. Thank you po.
Ingat.
감사합니다. Push up panda.
okay, let's go.
You should tie it, right? Or put it inside your